Farmer John, Sustainable Seed Company. I am right out in front of Sustainable Seed. I threw this alyssum out here as seed. I literally went around before a rainstorm and threw out some alyssum seed. Now you can see some people call this Snow Mound because it looks like mounds of snow. Beautiful, tough plant, easy to grow from seed, great border. Some purples would be amazing back here. Actually, that's what we have planted back here. This is indigo spires. This is a great plant. Some people call this Mexican sage, but it has a purple bloom that's going to really make this alyssum stand out. Again, alyssum, beautiful plant, easy to start from seed. Enjoy life and enjoy gardening.